What's up guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we are going to be doing a little crafting haul. I've had quite a few hauls this week, so let's get started. Now before I get too far into this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more crocheting content. Okay, so part of this haul is thrifted, the other part I bought, so I have a little mix of both this time, but I'm really excited to show you guys what I got. So for starters, I got all of this paint. I've been painting my own safety eyes, just because I'm just not satisfied with the little like rings that you can put behind the clear eyes. I don't know, I want to put my own spin on it, and I've seen lots of videos on how to like paint your own safety eyes, so now I can make them whatever color I want. And I love that, so I'm very excited to test out some of these different colors. I've already painted a couple sets of safety eyes and I'm pleased with how all of them are turning out. So I'm going to show you guys what my most recent set looks like. So this is what they look like. There's glitter in them. It's really hard to tell on camera, but there are glitter in them and they're pink. Obviously I'm obsessed with pink right now, so everything must be pink. Then I got these 2 bags of yarn from Goodwill. I really liked the blues. I think they're so cute, and I don't know what I'm going to make with them, but something, maybe a hat. And then in the other bag over here we have this, like, I forget, I think it's Pipsqueak. Is it Pipsqueak? Yeah, it's Bernat Pipsqueak. Love it. It's honestly so cute in plushies. I don't use it a lot just because I get kind of nervous with not being able to see my stitches super well. But it does look really good. I like it a lot. It's very soft, very durable. It's definitely a challenge if you're trying to make plushies out of something that's a little bit more difficult. Then I just couldn't help myself. Big Twist yarn has been on sale at Joann's for quite a while now. It's on sale, acrylic Big Twist yarn for $2.79, I want to say. So I got a roll of pink because, again, I love pink. I'm obsessed with pink right now. I don't know what else to say about it, but I love pink. So I got another roll of pink. And then I got this multicolored roll that I absolutely love. I think it would make a really cute like summer tube top. So I just couldn't help myself there. Could not help myself. So that is it for my little crafting haul. I do have some updates on my upcoming videos. I will be making a video on how to crochet the beads into your yarn. So that will be in the coming videos. I also have one for the, I don't know if we want to call it like a bubble stitch, a ribbed like flower petal kind of stitch, but it's like a half moon shaped stitch. So I will have a tutorial on how to do that. I use it on my jellyfish all the time. It's the bordering edge. So I will do a tutorial on how to make that, as well as a what I have crocheted this week video. So I've done quite a few projects this week, so I'm gonna make a little video and show you guys what all I have been working on. If there's any tutorial videos you guys want, please let me know, because I don't exactly just want to make tutorials if you guys aren't interested in them. So if there's a specific tutorial on how to do something that you want, let me know in the comments. That is all I have for this video. If you like this video, make sure to check out my other ones, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!